My decision to come to Harvard after 25, almost 30 years working in IT is deeply personal. At that time, I was not really motivated from the inside out as much. So I jumped through a lot of hoops and I started teaching kindergarten for a couple of years as a student teacher. And while I found the work incredibly meaningful, I think it was the hardest job I had ever done. And I kind of made a contract with myself to say that if I'm going to keep doing this, I need some help, and I think I need to understand some theories of teaching, some practical solutions, and get some mentors around me. For me, the idea of kindergarten was a space where kids came from many different paths. They could come from Montessori and Reggio, public experiences, some kids with no experiences, and they all need to kind of learn how to be in community. And so it was really wide open to start learning what it means to collaborate and creating those pro-social skills. I would also say that what I saw in my student teacher experiences is that it felt like I was giving a lot of PowerPoint presentations to 22 little 5-year-olds on the carpet a lot of the time. And so that put a lot of questions in my mind in that one set of experiences, but I started to wonder if maybe the grammar of schooling that was happening in first and second grade was starting to get pulled down into kindergarten, and if we were drifting a little bit away from kind of hands-on, hearts-on, minds-on experiences through using play. And so I will really want to be making new curricula and even building kind of physical objects and toys that we can put into public schools. When you come back to a formal learning environment, it's nothing like you remember maybe where you left it. Like in my case, almost 30 years ago. Everybody from the leadership to the faculty to all the students, everybody is about academic and professional rigor and about kindness in all of its forms. I'm someone who's a little bit older than a lot of my classmates. I never felt like an imposter, and I always felt incredibly welcome. It just always felt like home.